Welcome to Dad's DeFi Space. I'm Kevin, and I'm so glad you took some time out of your day to spend it with me, learn a little bit more about crypto and DeFi. This video today, um, I'm going to go over my bull run bag or my spot positions portfolio and kind of give an overview of different plays that I'm in right now. And we might even look at some of my smaller cap coins that are more spray and pray. But we'll get there when we get there. So before we get started, please like and subscribe to the channel. Ping that notification bell so you'll never miss a video. Please consider adding us at dadsdefispace.org. We have weekly pools, portfolio reviews, educational articles that are free, and we're working out a free DeFi and beginners crypto course. So enough plugs. Let's get in and check the market just a little bit before we get into the portfolio review. Real quick, Bitcoin dominance is now almost above 60%. This is crazy. Bitcoin dominance has been on a tear since, well, pretty much last November. Um, so Bitcoin dominance is something very important for you to be checking within the market, because if Bitcoin dominance is going up, your altcoins are going down. Dominance up means altcoins are bleeding back into Bitcoin, and that's not what we want. Now, you can use this to your advantage because the dominance level will let us know when we need to be Bitcoin heavy and then when we need to be more altcoin heavy. And right now we're kind of at the turning point. My portfolio is very much kind of half and half. Although half of my altcoin portfolio also would include Ethereum and Solana, which are two of my biggest plays. But let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart. It was an exciting day today because Bitcoin crossed $70,000. Is that not crazy? When Bitcoin breaks back above all-time highs, which was right around $74,000, I don't think you all understand what's going to happen in the market. It's going to get crazy out there. But Bitcoin right now is looking so bullish. We have broken our downtrend. We are way back above the bull market support band on the weekly, as you can see here. We've been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 weeks straddling it. Now we have had some wicks below, but I'm not worried about wicks as far as the market overview. Before we take a look at our my personal spot positions, I would like to take a quick look at Dad's DeFi Space. Right now, you are looking at our resource page. We have lots of different resources. These are resources that I have used. Free charts and stuff. Actually, these links are in my YouTube channel. And as I get new things, I'll be adding them in. One I'm playing with now that I want to share in the next couple weeks is Revert, which has been around a long time, but it's getting some really interesting functions. But we'll talk about that in a little bit. But we also have free articles available, free courses. And not only that, our articles include pools of the week, um, DeFi strategies, um, information on um, technical analysis. Here's one on the Bitcoin 4-year cycle theory and how to use it. Pools of the weeks, portfolio updates, token updates. As you can see, even altcoin reviews. Many of the stuff on here is free, and we're still building it out. So we would love for you to join us. Now's time for the fun part, what everyone was waiting for, and that is my portfolio review. Now, I'm going to try to go through this as quick as I can, but my core positions are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Now, I may also include AVAX, Near, and Toncoin in with this one, but I'm going to stick with the three biggest market cap coins. These prices aren't even correct anymore, but that's irrelevant. Um, Bitcoin is my most highest conviction play. It's an inflation hedge. It allows me to store some of my wealth away from prying eyes, and hey, I get some price appreciation with it also, which isn't bad. So my number one position at approximately 30 to 40% of my portfolio, it's probably closer to 40 now, 40 to 42. That would be Bitcoin, and it may drop a little bit as we get farther into alt season, but right now I'm very happy with where I'm at. I could even add a little bit more. It wouldn't bother me one bit. And by the way, I dollar cost average Bitcoin just about every single day. Now, let's talk about the next two coins, which are Ethereum and Solana. Ethereum is the original smart contract layer. It's the old money crypto coin, and it has the support of BlackRock. Now, it has looked terrible. We can go over to the charts, check out Ethereum, and I'll tell you what you'll see. A massive downtrend. We're fighting to get it back above that bull market support band. If I go to the daily, it pretty much looks even worse, right? Now, if we zoom out, what do you notice? Massive downtrend on Ethereum. And guess what? If we go to Ethereum's Bitcoin chart, which you'll see. Oh man, that's a bad looking chart. I don't even know when we're gonna. I mean, it's low. I shouldn't laugh at this because I got a big Ethereum bag, but those of you all out there that do, I feel you. I just make some of my bag of farming liquidity with my ETH, and that helps make me feel a little better. Going back to my portfolio, coin number 3 is Solana. Solana is a layer 1 play. It may even surpass Ethereum at one point. It's faster. I like trading on it better, and I like using the protocols better. But I think that Solana is here to stay. It's going to do very well during the bull, but it's such a large cap coin. You're not going to get multiple X's on Solana, but you're going to get a solid gain with this coin just because of the activity and the ecosystem. I've used Solana for lending, staking, liquidity providing, and leverage trading. So I just think it's easier to use and not as cumbersome as ETH, even though I'm also a fan of the base layer 2 network. All right, let's take a look at our next three, which are Chainlink, IMX, and AVAX. Now, Chainlink is a oracle that was the old school oracle. It has tons of partnerships. It's used in a lot of blockchains. I am bullish on Chainlink, but it has not been doing well lately. It's a coin that I've been considering adding to my position, but I have not yet. Again, none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. These are just my plays in the market. But I am moving on to IMX. IMX is a layer 2 gaming token. So the IMX layer has a mutable X. It's a gaming ecosystem play built upon Ethereum. So it is a layer 2. And most of the token supply of this layer 2 is already out. Unlike Optimism and Arbitrum and some of the others out there that I'm a little you don't want to see large token unlocks with your coins, especially on their second cycle. That is not usually it's not usually a good story. Now, if you look at IMX, I believe we will have some common gaming run, and IMX is one of the largest tokens that you could have in your portfolio that's going to take advantage of that. Now, the next token that I also think kind of relates to the gaming narrative is AVAX. AVAX is a layer 1. It pulled great multiples last bull run, but was kind of cut short with, well, the FTX fiasco. Now, AVEX is a coin I've had since last cycle. My cost basis now is right around $22, I think, somewhere around there. And I've been staking it throughout the bear and this first part of the bull, and I'm excited to see where AVAX can go to. Although my favorite layer one play out of this list, it's a chain for traders. Now, the volume is not there for injective right now, but I still have high hopes that as the bull continues, money is going to move back into this ecosystem, and the price is going to appreciate. I'm not really adding any to my bag right now, but I have added a lot of injective when it was in around the $18 to $20 range recently. World Mobile Token is a smaller cap play, and this is what I'm super excited about. Mobile Token is a DPIM play that involves the use it's trying to provide either cellular and data service to those around the world who don't have service. They were offering service in the Western North Carolina region after Hurricane Helena. They have given data service. They've given creating data services within areas of Africa that don't have that accessibility. And I live in a place that our county where I live has a lot of issues with connectivity as you get out of the city limits and into the countryside. And this is something that World Mobile Token X is supposed to solve. I'm very bullish, although it's not looking very good right now. Price range right now is right around, I guess, 17, 18 cents. And it's just a play that I have a lot of high hopes for. Now, TIA is a layer one modular blockchain integrating with Manta, Ethereum, all this other stuff. It's an exciting project. It has some awesome tech, but it's a VC coin, and they're going to have more than 50% of the total supply unlocked in less than 48 hours. So probably when I finish making this video, I am going to go sell some of my TIA. Our next token is Render. Render is on the Solana network. It is another DPIN play. It's also a possible AI play, graphics rendering. It allows people to basically sell their unused processing power in their GPUs to help with graphics and AI processing. The render token is their sort of way of paying you if you allow them to use your power, your compute power. Ondo Finance is a RWA play, real world asset. They are tokenizing bonds so people can earn a yield. Ondo Finance is supported by BlackRock, and that alone is my bull thesis on Ondo. Now, its tokenomics are not very good. Can't sit here and lie, but it is a token that I still have in my portfolio, although I want to do a little bit more research on more RWAs. All right, our next token is list is TON, Atom, and Arrow. Now, TON is a layer one. It's associated with the Telegram network. I've talked about it many times before. It's a network I'm still bullish on, not quite as much as I was. It does have a large market cap. It has had some issues with downtime during some airdrops. Although it was fun kind of participating in the Hamster Combat airdrop, but my tokens aren't really worth much of anything, to be quite honest with you. And airdrops sometimes can go that way. Atom is a coin from last cycle, and I was very bullish on Atom. I made a little bit of money, and then I lost a lot of money with Atom. But I enjoyed earning the 20% yield staking Atom for that long period of time. The staking of Atom is what helped me begin my TIA bag, and because they did offer a lot of airdrops for those Atom stakers. But at this point in time, I'm probably getting ready to cut Atom from my portfolio. It's time to downsize and out with the old, in with the new. And this is one that's a possible selection for that list to get rid of. Again, not financial advice. My next token I'm super bullish on is Arrow. The Arrow token is a DEX token or a reward token on the Aerodrome network. If you're a follower of my channel, you know that I'm bullish on Arrow. I farm it, I lend it. Sometimes I sell it and add to my ETH or my Solana bags or my Sui bag, what Sway bag, excuse me, whatever. But this token does have a lot of inflation. But what I'm trying to do is earn a lot of yield off of Arrow right now while yields are high. And then hopefully as the bull market continues, it'll be time to start selling some of this out. Excuse me. Right now, Arrow has been on a tear. It's way above 67 cents right now. Arrow is more like $1.19. But I'm excited for Aerodrome and the base ecosystem. The next one, and I picked up most of this on crypto.com. By the way, those are my three favorite exchanges to use in America: Coinbase, crypto.com, and Kraken. Of course, if you're not in America, you can use Binance, you can use Bybit. There's so many good exchanges out there. But ATH is not a DPIM play and a gaming play. So there was a lot of hype around Aether. I know a number of people who invested in their node sale, and I did not, but I am slowly building an Aether bag. That and of course Jupe, but Jupe was part of my airdrop that I received, and after I got the airdrop, I sold a teeny little bit of it, but then I started buying more and more and more and more. I love staking my Jupiter. It has paid well. Although probably after the next quarter, I'll be unstaking my Jupe. It's time to kind of start positioning myself and developing my profit taking strategy, which you should be too, because we're getting to be that time in the market. Finally, we have Near and we have Sway. Near is a layer one play. It's getting a lot of hype right now in the AI space. It's super, super fast, super, super secure. And I've been sitting on a Near bag since the bottom of the bear, and I've been staking it the entire time. Near is a project that I'm excited to see what happens in the near future. That was cheesy. I should cut that out. Now, the final token on our list today is Sway. Sway is a layer one blockchain, and I invested into this recently. I think the price tag on it was right around $1.95 or something. And right now it's sitting around $1.70-ish. It has had a massive run up in the last couple of weeks, and it probably is time for this coin to cool off. But this is sort of what people are describing as the Solana killer in the market. Maybe, maybe not. It's hard to say at this point, but I've enjoyed playing around with it, and I'm starting to research liquidity positions that I may or may not get into. It's hard to say at this point. The biggest problem right now of getting into liquidity positions is you can earn a lot of yield, but at the same time, going into liquidity positions, you're going to lose out on some of the gains that can occur, some of the multiples that can occur, especially with altcoins. So that's always something to take into consideration. That's why I keep a DeFi portfolio and a bull run bag. Best of both worlds, works great. I'll give a shout out to the UIG for that information, because I always tend to go all or nothing. No, it's better to kind of split your assets, diversify, and go from there. But and that you've learned a little bit more, not just about what positions I'm bullish on, but maybe there's some that you're bullish on too. Please comment below and let me know what you would like to see in the future as far as videos, altcoins I could talk about, or just let me know what you want, and I'll try to provide the best I can. But if you were still with this, I was going to let everyone get a little check at my, let's cut this out of the video, some of my riskier positions. And that would be Chuanpu, which is the Chinese Trump, a meme coin that was on pump.flum. Fun, Snack, a meme coin on Solana network. Oh, by the way, Chuang Pu, the meme coin, excuse me, these are, these coins are some of my high risk, high reward positions that I'm holding on to. We have Chuangpu, which is the Chinese Trump. It's a meme coin on Solana. I think this could run with the election as Trump gets elected. If it does, I hopefully can sell my bag, make a little bit of profit. Snack is the biggest meme coin on the Cardano network. I'm gonna just hold on to my bag, see what happens. I just the amount of volume on Solana, or excuse me, on Cardano has been next to nothing. So I'm weary about this token unless it gets picked up by some exchanges. Osmo, I may be getting out of this position. It is a DEX within the Cosmos ecosystem. Although I do like providing liquidity on Osmo, so I may keep a little bit staked. Say Network, which is very similar in a sense to Sway, but Say is part of the Cosmos ecosystem. I am not probably going to add much more, but I may hold on to my shares. I used to have a meme coin on this network called Millie, very, very low market cap, and I'm considering rotating into that just as kind of a gamble. And DYM or Dimension, this is a Cosmos. I got this through an airdrop. The tech is awesome behind it, but I need to do a little more research on this one before I put any more into my bag. I've just been sitting on my airdrop and staking it. And then was a terrible play during last run, and that was Manta Pacific. I lost a little bit on this one and made some bad choices with a looping strategy. More about that in a future video. But Manta has been a layer 2 network for Ethereum. It's a modular blockchain. It's very much associated with TIA, VC coin. I have next to nothing of this anymore, but I'm debating whether to hold on to this or, to be quite honest, I may just sell out and stake it or provide liquidity in on Linea. Maybe I can get a little bit more of that possible Linea airdrop in the near future. But I hope this video has been informative today, and you can take some information from it and help to formulate your own portfolio. And please like and subscribe to our channel, ping that notification bell, and until next time, ladies and gentlemen, peace.